I really like this Keurig redesign. It's half the width of the old one. This is my old one. And it works pretty much the same. There's a little bit of difference. This one, turn it on, this one automatically comes on. And this water drains when you first put it in, whereas this one, the water doesn't drain until you start it. Another thing that's improvement with this is it fits in taller mugs with no problem. This one, I don't know what went off. This one you just press the brew, and this one now they have a top button you press. I've taste tested too, and it seems like this one extracts better. There seems to be a little more flavor in the coffee. I wonder if it just has a slower extraction. Definitely seems like it's coming out more slowly. Anyway, really glad they did this big improvement, and it's also lighter weight too, so it's easier if you want to bring it somewhere. Very nice.